Here's how to add confetti to your Wix page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Log into Wix.com, and then once you're in, go to Settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom and look for Custom Code. Now click this blue button that says Add Custom Code, and this will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. For additional settings, you can choose whether you want to add the code to all pages or just specific ones. In this sample, I'll be adding the code to all pages. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Apply. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, go to Site and App and then choose Website. Then click on Domain or View Live Site. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.